Let's create a new project. Click Upload a document and add a sample file. The AI will scan it and automatically generate the columns based on the data it detects. Once the columns appear, review them and keep only the ones you need. Then click Apply Columns. Next, enter your project title and, if needed, a short description. You can also add custom columns if you want something more specific. Then click Save Changes. Now select the files you want to process and click Run. In just a few seconds, Img2Sheet will extract the data and generate a clean, structured table ready to use.